Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone, especially to you ma'am. I am Norbia Sangka, PS Social Work 2A, and this is the part 1. Now I am going to discuss the visual background that I made. So here is the picture of it. So as you can see, ang una-una talagang makikita, manonotice mula dito is yung pagka-colorful, di ba? And yun yung gusto kong ipahiwatig din kasi I wanna show how colorful and bright, no, yung naging childhood ni Jose Rizal together with his mom. By the way, my chosen poem is Mi Primera Inspiración, which is in English, my first inspiration. And since the poem is about his mom, his love for his mom, no, I came up with the idea na image of a mom and her child. Now, as you can see, a mom is lifting her child. And this is the reflection, no, of how immense joy yung dinala ni Rizal sa kanyang nanay. And nung isilang pa lang siya sa mundong ito, mula pa lang nung pinanganak si Rizal, he brought so much joy to his mom and his family. And I think every mom in this world could relate because every mom thinks that a child is a blessing given by God. Mapapansin din natin na ang larawan ay binubuo ng mga nature, di ba? Kasi I realized din, no, gaano ka love ni Rizal ang nature. Kasi kung matatandaan natin, ang nature din yung nag-inspire sa kanya sa mga works na ginawa niya, di ba? And makikita natin na may mountains, may trees, tapos dagat, di ba? Which is later on I will explain that symbols and what it represents, di ba? Sa relationship ng nanay at saka ni Rizal. So, i-explain ko yun later. But for now, I just want to say that I remember that Rizal is really fond of nature. He is peaceful. He is at peace when he's with nature. And which is I too, no, gusto ko rin kapag nasa nature ako kasi parang ang relaxing niya, and parang you can reflect kasi nga tahimik, ganun. Gusto ko rin yung ganun. So, I can relate. Now, everything that is in that visual background, yung sinabi ko, it has the symbols, no? It has representation. So, I want to explain that. Okay, here's the thing. We can see the sea, diba? Merong dagat dyan. Because I put that there because that is the representation of how deep the love of Rizal for his mom as well as his mom for him. Diba? Ganun kalalim ang pagmamahalan nilang dalawa as mother and a child. And you know, I can agree to this because as a child also, as a child, I do really appreciate my mom sa lahat ng ginagawa niya. And I think Rizal felt that as well, diba? Sa kanyang mother. Kasi every mother can do everything, no, for her child, diba? Even taking the risk, ganun, para mabigay yung mga needs ng bata. And then 3, because it represents how strong his mom is, diba? How brave she was. Kasi his mom would do everything para mabigay yung lahat ng bagay, lahat ng magagandang bagay for her children, including doon yung, kung matatandaan natin, she wants, and her husband, no, wants to give quality education to their children. That is why pinaaral nila ang mga anak nila sa mga magagandang schools, 'di ba? Ganon ka strong, ganon ka strong yung paniniwala ng nanay niya na ang education, the importance of education, na kailangan ma-provide ito sa kanyang mga anak. And lastly is the mountain, 'di ba? Merong mountain. That is the representation of how big his mom's heart, diba? As we can understand in the poem itself, diba? Kung babasahin natin sa kwento din ni Rizal, makikita din, malalaman din natin gaano kabait si Doña Chodora. In fact, she is helping those in needs during that time. I just want to say that the poem that is entitled Mi Primera Inspiración is the work of Rizal to show appreciation for his mom and how devoted he is. And I hope that I can show the meaning of this poem through this visual background that I made, which is the love of a mother and a child. So this is the context of the poem titled Mi Primera Inspiración, made by Jose Rizal. So as I was looking for the best poem of Jose Rizal, I came across this poem. No? This was his first poem at Ateneo and a special gift to his mother before he turned 14. From the title itself, which means my first inspiration, it already speaks yung deep admiration and love niya for his mother. And that amazed me because at such a young age, ganun na niya love, ganun na niya na-appreciate ang kanyang mother. And he was an expressive son and with strong emotion, diba? And ginamit niya yung poetry para i-express ang appreciation niya for his mom, that his mom played a significant role, diba, in shaping him into what he is now, what hero he is now that we know. Okay, this poem titled Mi Primera Inspiración is the poem that beautifully expresses a child's deep love and admiration for his mother, Doña Chodora. And in this poem, Rizal describes his mother as his first source of inspiration. And then he compared her to light kasi parang she brightens his life. And he talks about the joy and warmth that mother brings, showing how much he valued her presence. And then this poem also highlights how important, how a mother's love is pure and selfless kasi they sacrifice for their child's happiness. And as I was reading it, I can feel the sincerity of Rizal and his gratitude. And that reminds me of how important our mothers in shaping who we become. And it's a heartfelt tribute that makes me appreciate all the mothers in the world. I find it even more inspiring kasi as we know, he wanted to be a doctor, specifically ophthalmologist. That is because he want to help his mother and other people. Kasi his mother has these problems with her eyes, and this made him want to help her. Okay, this shows how much he loved his mother and how much she is influenced by his mother. Thinking about this, I realized that without his mother, he might not have walked the same path. Diba? Parang he might not have studied so hard, traveled to the different places, or become the great hero we know today. His mother really played a big role in shaping him, and that makes me see how important mothers are. Okay, while reading this poem, I can feel yung deep emotion ng every word na ginamit ni Rizal. It's not just about the lines written on paper, but it carries the thoughts and feelings of someone na si Rizal, na he had a strong sense of purpose. Okay, I do have primary reason why I chose this poem out of so many great works of Jose Rizal. But I chose this poem because I can really relate to it. Because I have mothers, and she means so much to me, and she is the light of our house. Diba? She does everything for us, and this poem is not just about showing the love of Jose to his mom, diba? But also making us realize how we should give importance to our parents. Because our parents inspire us to do well and achieve our goals. Because at the end of the day, we all want the best for them. And just like how Rizal was inspired by his mother, I too draw strength from my parents. Because they sacrifice all, they push me to be a better person, and no matter what, I will always be grateful.